Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome back to another Java tutorial. In this video, we will be going through array lists. So an array list is just a resizable array. A normal array, we cannot change the size of an array once we have set the size. But with the array list, we can keep adding on to the list without there being a specified size. So firstly, the first thing we need to do is we need to import the array list, because by default it's not imported, so we need to do it. So we do import java.util dot, and in here we do array list. So now we have the array list imported. Now the next thing that we can do is we need to create an array list object. So firstly we'll do array list, because that's what we have to create, and then we need to pass in the data type in here. So let's say we want to do strings. We want to do a list of strings. So we'll just do string, and we can just name it like names. Then we can do equal new array list, and then the same thing as the other side, brackets and semicolon. So here we have created an array list of names, and we have the data type of strings, so we can pass in only strings in this array list. Now let's say if we want to pass in integers, we won't be putting the data type like this, but we'll actually have to spell it out. So we'll have to do integer. So now we can pass in integers in here. But for now we'll just do strings. So now let's say I want to add a value into this array list. So firstly we'll just call the name of the array list, which is names. Then we'll do dot add. And then we can specify that we can add in a name. I'll just do John. So here now we have added a value John into this array list here, and it's going to be stored as the very first value, which is index 0. Let's say we add in another value, and we'll add in, let's say we'll add in Peter. Now Peter will be stored as a second value in this array list, which is going to be index 1. So it's just like a list, first in, first out. The very first value will be stored as index 0, and then 1, and then so on and so on. Now the cool thing about this now is we can actually print this out. So if we print out names, run this, you can see we get the content of that array list. Unlike in normal arrays, we'll actually have to specify the value like this. So this is how we'll get the value of any value in an array. But with the array list, we can just call names and it'll print out the entire array list. Now let's say we want to get a specific index in this array. All we have to do is dot, then we'll do get, and then this number here is the index of the array list. So if we print this out, we'll only get John, because John is at index 0. Now we can actually change certain values. So let's say I want to change the very first index to something. What we'll do is we'll do names dot set, and now in here we'll pass in what index we want to change. So if we want to change index 1, we'll put 0, and then to what value we want to change it to. So let's say I'll just do Thomas. So now what we're doing here is we are changing index 0, which is the very first one, to Thomas. So now John is going to change to Thomas. If we print this out again, I can probably just print this out. You can see firstly index 0 is John, then we change it to Thomas, and now index 0 is now changed to Thomas. Now let's say we want to remove a certain index. So what we can do now is, so let's get rid of this, let's print out the entire array, but now let's remove. So we can do names, and then we do dot remove, and now we just pass in the index. So let's say if you want to remove Peter, we'll pass in 1, and I'll print out this array list again. Now you can see we have John Peter, and then we remove Peter and we are left with John when we print out the entire array. Now there is another one that we can do. We can do dot clear. Dot clear will just remove all elements. So you can see we have John Peter in this one. Then we do the clear command, and then we are left with nothing, an empty array list. Now to get the size of this array, we just do dot, not dot length like we do with normal arrays, but we'll just do size. And there we get 2 because we have 2 values in here. And that's the first video of ArrayList. In the next video we'll go over how to loop through an array and how to sort an array as well. So I'll see you in that video. Peace.